In the quiet town of Delft, nestled in the heart of the Netherlands, lived a humble draper named Antonie van Leeuwenhoek. Unbeknownst to the townsfolk, this seemingly ordinary man was about to change the course of history with a simple invention. Born in 1632, Leeuwenhoek was a man of many trades, but his true passion lay in the world unseen. He was a meticulous craftsman, a skill that would prove invaluable in his future endeavors. One day, in the year 1673, Leeuwenhoek stumbled upon a tiny lens, a remnant from a broken spectacle. With the ingenuity that defined him, he decided to fashion it into a microscope, a device to peer into the unknown. The microscope, though primitive by today's standards, was a marvel in the 17th century. It was a tool that would open the door to a world so small, it had never been seen before. With his new creation in hand, Leeuwenhoek began his exploration of the microscopic realm. He peered into the waters of the canal, the droplets of rain, and the fragments of plants. What he observed astounded him. He saw tiny, moving creatures, so small they could barely be seen with the naked eye. He observed bacteria, algae, and protozoa, a whole new world teeming with life. His findings were met with skepticism. The scientific community of the time was skeptical, doubting the existence of such microscopic organisms. But Leeuwenhoek was undeterred. He continued his observations, documenting his findings with meticulous detail. He sent his drawings to the Royal Society of London, hoping to sway the skeptics. His persistence paid off. In 1676, the Royal Society published his work, acknowledging the existence of microorganisms. This marked the beginning of a new era in science, one that would open up a world of possibilities and revolutionize our understanding of the natural world. Today, Antonie van Leeuwenhoek is hailed as the father of microbiology. His simple microscope, a testament to his curiosity and determination, revealed a world that was once invisible to the human eye, forever changing the way we view the world around us. Through his groundbreaking discoveries, Leeuwenhoek demonstrated the power of curiosity, the importance of persistence, and the endless possibilities that lie in the pursuit of knowledge. His story serves as a reminder that sometimes, it is the smallest of things that can have the largest impact.